The live stream, and because we are transparent, we need to fill 2 minutes. And who do they send to the stage? I cannot sing. I can dance. Yes. And we have planned something that, I have one person in the audience that gives me a little bit of extra energy sometimes. I won't mention his name, but he called me a rock star. And what do rock stars do? Get out? You said get up. I'm just going to take a selfie. Okay, everybody up for a selfie? 1, 2, 3, hey! That's what rock stars do. Now they're true rock stars.
Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Parth, and I'd like to welcome you all to our first ever live global product launch, both here in Nice and also virtually live via the live stream. When I first joined AutoStore, one of the questions I heard over and over was, when will warehousing really be lights out? Today, I'm really thrilled to say that we're taking a major step forward towards that vision. This isn't just about new products, it's about transforming the way our customers and our partners work. It's about how we connect and we grow. At AutoStore, we don't just solve problems, we really imagine what's possible, and then we go make it real. And today, you're going to see exactly how we're going to go do that together. Many of you have been on this journey with us for years. Watching AutoStore evolve from sites with just a handful of robots to high throughput operations now, running more than 2,000 bots at a single site. And for others, this may be your first launch with us. Wherever you are in that journey, we're really thrilled to have you here, because what comes next will really redefine what's possible for all of us. Our focus is on staying ahead of the market, anticipating what's next, and then defining the future of automation for all of our customers. At the center of everything we do is the Cube. It powers every pick with unmatched efficiency and remains the foundation for everything from optimizing fulfillment to unlocking new value for our customers. Our strategy is built on 4 pillars. First, we continuously optimize the Cube to stay ahead of the evolving customer needs. Second, we expand our core capabilities to support new applications and use cases. And then third, we unlock entirely new adjacent products and adjacent workflows into our Cube, expanding what's possible for our customers and amplifying all of our impact across the market. All of these innovations are united by our amazing software. It bridges data and services across the full customer lifecycle. It's from the first engagement to the ongoing optimizations required. Powered by advanced analytics and data, we drive smarter, faster, and more scalable performance for every customer. Today's announcement really reflects the pace of change all around us, where automation is reshaping entire industries. Every one of these products is inspired by all of you, our customers and our partners, through deep collaboration, feedback sessions, and market insights. Together, we're announcing what comes today. Before we look ahead, let's take a minute to appreciate how far we've come in the past year. Across 2 major releases over the last year, we've strengthened our core, expanded the Cube's capabilities, added adjacencies, and proven our strategy is delivering real momentum. Last fall, we introduced the motorized service vehicle, the service tower, and a multi-temperature solution, advancing serviceability and performance. Then, this spring, we launched the Software Essentials package, Carousel AI for robotic piece picking, VerSupport, and the new PO standard versions that pushed flexibility, speed, and scalability even further. Each step has been built towards something greater and something bigger. And now, let's see what's next. Wow. This is amazing. I've been waiting to share these new products with all of us for months. These represent over a year of incredible work across the full AutoStore organization. We've organized today's releases into 2 strategic themes with 7 innovations that together push the boundaries of what AutoStore can do. AutoCase, a new solution for automated case handling, built to handle high-volume operations reliably. FlexBins adds order consolidation and SKU flexibility, letting our customers store more, pick faster, and adapt to diverse workflows. Carousel AI enhancements, smarter, faster, and more adaptive robotic piece picking. And the MTS frozen only solution is a specialized solution for frozen storage, responding directly to the customer's demand. We also have CubeDeploy, which streamlines the Cube control software, upgrades, and really reduces any downtime. Floor flatness helps us really ensure that installations are faster and simpler. We also have updated our fire standards, which raises the safety and compliance across diverse environments. Together, these 7 innovations combine to one of our most powerful yet, showing what's possible when we combine innovation, customer insights, and execution at scale. Earlier, I spoke about our growth from a handful of robots to thousands working in perfect harmony. We've mastered scale, and now we're expanding our ambition by solving more expansive problems faced in the market. With innovation like AutoCase, FlexBins, and Carousel AI, we're taking the first step towards the true lights-out automation, working with our partners to handle a broader range of SKUs, denser storage across a range of products, both big and small, in ambient and frozen environments, all while maintaining our 99.7% uptime. And we're not stopping just there. We're making AutoStore even easier to deploy and scale than ever before, with new breakthroughs in floor flatness, software upgrades, and fire protection, setting the stage for what comes next. Each of these innovations is built to streamline the entire flow of goods. It reduces complexity and unlocks new efficiency at every step. Let's take a look at how we're simplifying the total process. By doing that, let's first step into your warehouse. And for a moment, let's see how these innovations can come to life from the inbound dock to the shipping lane at your own environments. We start the warehouse journey where all processes begin, the receiving dock. This is where AutoCase takes center stage. It can automatically receive full case quantities, storing them intact, or integrating with processes to open the cases for future single item picking. Built on proven AutoStore technology, AutoCase delivers reliability, speed, and high volume throughput, handling 150 to 260 cases per hour without missing a beat. This enables faster, more flexible, and more efficient order fulfillment. Together, these capabilities make AutoCase not just a feature, but a foundational step towards a fully lights-out warehouse, automating the very first stage of the fulfillment process at the receiving dock. To make it more real, let's watch a video of how the AutoCase solution, releasing this January, could work to transform your own inbound processes.
It's no secret, automating case handling is a challenge. Too often, it's inefficient and time-consuming, requiring different systems with extra equipment. That's why we created a smarter way, utilizing the AutoStore grid. Meet AutoCase, the refined solution for seamless case handling alongside each and every pick. Think of it as unlocking new versatility for your grid. With AutoCase, you can manage case handling directly inside the system, reducing the needs for third-party solutions. It's about doing more with less, because with case handling automated, your team is free to focus on higher value tasks. And because it's built to work with your existing grid, you get more throughput from the same footprint. No extra space, just pure efficiency. AutoCase, case handling simplified.
As we focus further into the inbound process, it's also important to look at how various SKUs are stored within the same grid. To make the best use of storage and the space, we've released FlexBins. FlexBins offers 3 bin heights, 220, 330, and 425 millimeters, all within a single grid. This flexibility unlocks new levels of efficiency, especially for operations managing diverse SKU profiles. By enabling mixed bin usage, we can increase storage density by 10 to 15% without expanding the physical footprint of the grid. More inventory, more throughput, and no extra space required. The power of FlexBins can extend by enabling brand new workflows alongside AutoCase and the new VerSupport, allowing both manual and automated case handling, all within the same grid. Tasks that were once fragmented or manual can now be fully automated and integrated together. Additionally, FlexBins is a software feature. It uses our existing products and variants that our partners already know, just combined in new ways. That makes it easy to deploy, easy to scale, and a fast way to unlock new use cases across both new and existing systems. With that, let's see how FlexBins can work in your warehouse also.
We all know one size never truly fits all. That's why we created a solution to fit an even wider range of items in your AutoStore grid. Meet FlexBins, the refined solution for a more compact and versatile storage experience. Think of it as replacing air with assets. More items fit neatly into the same space, making your grid truly optimized, where everything fits just right. This is made possible by using different size bins for different sized items. You achieve true flexibility with your inventory, enabling the grid to store even more products. And with FlexBins, you also enable order consolidation and buffering. This means you can temporarily store completed orders right within the grid, making downstream operations faster and smoother. As a result, you can replace multiple downstream systems or manual processes with one unified solution, powered by AutoStore. FlexBins. Welcome to a new era of flexibility.
We have already a happy customer. That's our first FlexBins customer. Order consolidation for VLOC relied on multiple systems: conveyors, shuttles, and manual transfers. With FlexBins, they consolidated all these technologies into a single system that seamlessly managed both inventory storage and order buffering. AutoStore adapts to VLOC's fulfillment needs and processes by using larger bins for order consolidation while maintaining smaller bins for inventory storage. The results speak for themselves. Fewer manual touch points, lower equipment and maintenance cost, and faster retrieval of buffered orders. The outcome is a streamlined operation, improved SLA performance, and higher customer satisfaction. As you just heard, FlexBins unlocks order buffering. This eliminates costly external equipment and increases storage density without expanding the footprint. We're giving the market the flexibility they've been asking for, unlocking new levels of efficiency across the board. AutoStore offers two new powerful solutions for order picking and consolidation: the VerSupport and Carousel AI. VerSupport, released this summer, it's a manual workstation that's modular and flexible, perfect for high throughput environments where human oversight is still key. It supports batch picking, kitting, and staging with sequential bin access for fast consolidation. Carousel AI, on the other hand, is fully autonomous. It uses AI-powered robotic picking to handle over 90% of SKUs with 99.5% accuracy. It's built for 24/7 operation and is a cornerstone for lights-out fulfillment. Let's now dive a bit deeper into the new, enhanced Carousel AI. Carousel AI is evolving with new enhancements designed to solve key challenges around layout limitations and outbound inefficiencies. With our latest release, Carousel AI now offers greater layout flexibility, adapting to more site configurations and unlocking new use cases. To do this, we've introduced 8 flexible outbound destinations that remove the need for fixed conveyance loops. We're also adding intelligent item placement to enable true pick and pack functionality. Finally, we've also reduced the minimum pick weight by 75%, down to just 5 grams, perfect for small item, just like lipstick or even car fuses. Together, these updates make Carousel AI more flexible, more intelligent, and easier than ever to deploy. Today at MECO, we're seeing the fulfillment in action. MECO is piloting Carousel AI to bring robotic piece picking into their AutoStore-powered fulfillment center, boosting their speed, consistency, and cost efficiency. By combining AutoStore's storage precision with AI-driven picking, MECO is taking a major step forward towards fully automated lights-out operations, where every order is processed with the same reliabilities their customers expect. Their setup truly enables a true zero-touch workflow. Automated destacking, in-feed, out-feed, stacking, and palletization, all in one continuous flow. And now, with Carousel AI, even the last manual step is becoming fully automated. This pilot marks a pivotal step in MECO's automation journey, showing how AI and robotics together can drive measurable gains in efficiency, quality, and cost. Now, let's take a look at the other end of the warehouse, the outbound side, where orders are picked and shipped. This is where our innovation comes together to enable lights-out automation. AutoCase, FlexBins, VerSupport, and Carousel AI work in concert to make outbound order fulfillment faster, smarter, and more autonomous. Orders can be consolidated, buffered, and picked with minimal human intervention. Together, these solutions automate the full path from storage to outbound delivery, reflecting and reducing manual touchpoints, boosting their throughput, and creating the foundation for a fully lights-out warehouse. This is where the system manages the flow of goods with precision from start to finish. While we've focused so far today on ambient temperature grids, AutoStore has also expanded these new innovations into climate-controlled operations. Our multi-temperature solution is now expanding, offering to include systems purpose-built for only frozen product storage, in addition to our already existing frozen and chilled solutions. Additionally, this solution can leverage AutoCase and FlexBin capabilities that you just heard about, all fully integrated for cold chain workflows. The MTS solution continues to maximize space efficiency and let workers safely pick frozen items from a more comfortable 6 degrees environment, far better than 25 degrees, minus 25 degrees. Built for real-world cold chain challenges, it extends the productivity and flexibility of our ambient solutions into frozen storage, helping those customers also move to a fully lights-out automation. At AutoStore, we're always looking for ways to help our customers and our partners work smarter, optimizing operations, cutting installation cost, and turning every saved dollar into an opportunity for growth. Today, we're thrilled to announce 3 breakthroughs that do exactly that. They make deployments smarter, faster, improve safety, and deliver real savings, all without compromising performance. Let's see how we're continuing to simplify and supercharge the AutoStore experience. Let's first tackle a common deployment challenge: floor flatness. Achieving the precision required has traditionally meant specializing in survey equipment and costly grinding, adding time, complexity, and expense. Our new approach changes that in 2 powerful ways. First, laser scanning to cut survey time by up to 50%, making the process faster and more accurate. Second, shims, which provide a simple, affordable alternative for small, non-compliant areas. No grinding, no delays, just a precise, reliable solution. And we've already tested this with Swisslog, and the results are clear. Our largest North American customer, with over 22 installations in the healthcare space, has saved over 85% of their budget on floor remediation by using the new scanning method and shims. Let's talk a bit about fire protection, a critical but often costly part of warehouse infrastructure. Traditional sprinkler designs, especially 9.1 meters, require large pumps and pipes, driving up installation cost and slowing project timelines, sometimes accounting for 15 to 20% of total warehouse spend. Our new approach optimizes sprinkler design, reduces discharge pressure, while still achieving full extinguishment. This innovation can cut installation reduce installation costs by up to 35%, making it ideal for grids over 180 meters squared or ceilings above 7.6 meters. It's a smarter, faster, and more cost-effective way to meet fire safety standards without compromising performance or slowing deployment. Let's shift gears a bit and talk about software, a critical area of investment and innovation for our future. It's how we operate the system with best-in-class throughput and efficiency while unlocking insights. This spring, we launched the Software Essentials, a package designed to help customers get the most out of the AutoStore system by reducing complexity and turning data into action. It brings continuous Cube control updates and enhanced Unify analytics. Today, we're taking that a step further with CubeDeploy, a faster, simpler way to deliver software updates. Installs take under 15 minutes, and future updates within a few seconds, with minimal downtime. Essentials and CubeDeploy together lay the foundation for what's next: a smarter, more adaptive software platform that drives the next wave of transformation in the industry. Today's launch is a milestone in what's possible when innovation, insights, and execution all come together. From transforming inbound and outbound flows with AutoCase and FlexBins